Hi, my name is Laura Simon, and I'm a faculty member in the Sociology Department.
And I'm Vicki Luther, and I'm the Tift College of Education.
We're here today to invite you to join us for our workshop on creating inclusive spaces. This workshop is all about why creating inclusive classrooms is important and how you can create those inclusive classrooms. We've been in conversations with colleagues across campus to make sure the strategies work for all different types of classrooms that we have.
And with Laura's background in sociology and mine in education, we are so excited to bring you this workshop on March the 19th. We hope you will join us because we will be talking about different ways that you can enhance your classroom environment and make it inclusive for all students within your classroom, including ideas for your syllabi, ideas for class discussions, and also ways to adapt and engage your students through assignments. Again, we hope you will join us on March the 19th at 4 o'clock, and please see the QEP newsletter for more information.
Or follow the link below.
Thank you.
Thanks.